I'm Nikki, your host, and I'm super excited to share my passions with you. Grab a cup of your favorite drink, get comfy, and let's dive into the world of Nikki's lifestyle.
Good evening, community. This night, again, we want to prepare overnight oats for my kids' breakfast and our own breakfast till tomorrow morning. We are all kids, after all, and mama bonus. So here is the ingredients we are using for the overnight oats. We have our apple here, we have our banana, we have our dates, we have our yogurt, we have our honey, we have our almond nuts and shredded coconut, we have our milk, we have our oats, that is the papa of it all. So first and foremost, you will start adding your oats inside your container. Some people, mostly you're supposed to use jars with cover to do this, but in this night, whatever you have, please make use of it. Don't just say yourself. So you want to press paper. So I'm adding the oats in all. Go ahead to add our milk. If you want to lose weight, this is one of the things you will be taking. Just do it in the night, put it inside the fridge, make sure that your fridge is on, leave it there. Tomorrow morning, you just bring it out and enjoy. But then, all the ingredients have soaked. So the next ingredients we have here is our yogurt. Start putting your yogurt. You can use any yogurt, you can use sweetening, you can use unsweetening. The next ingredient we'll add is our chia seed. Everything I'm using for this thing, you can go and Google it. It's free, so that you will know the health benefits of everything I'm using. I'm putting the chia seed, then you start mixing. Mix these 4 ingredients very well. See how creamy it is. The next ingredient we are going to put is our honey. Also mix. Here I have my almond nuts and coconuts. I will also add it there. Although my almond is not that much, but I'll just manage it so that it will go around. And I'll start putting coconut. And the next ingredient I have here is 8 nuts. You can use any nuts you have, you can use any fruit. And the next ingredient we have is our apple. You have to slice and dice your apple. This is packed with a lot of nutrients that your body needs. You can still put it up small with your honey. This is any fruit you have. If you have somewhere, if you have grape, if you have black currency, if you have strawberry, if you have granules, if you have cashew nuts, berry, anything you have, just put it. This goodness is packed with a lot of nutrients. Ladies and gentlemen, here come our night oats, overnight soaked oats. So tomorrow morning before we consume, we will still show you guys. Thank you. Tell me in the comment section if you try this. I love you all. This is for our breakfast tomorrow, mind you.